Ciao friends! When it comes to pizza crust, people are usually in one of two camps. You either love it or you don't. Which one are you? Myself, I am not a crust fan. I usually just hand mine over right to my husband. He's the crust lover. But recently, while enjoying my homemade pizza and salad with my husband, I thought, why not share a little trick I've been doing for years? It's not my usual kind of video, but I figured my fellow pizza lovers might appreciate it. Here's what I do. I simply slice off the crust with a knife, cut it into bite-sized croutons, and toss them into my salad. It's that easy. And let me tell you, it really does make the salad taste a little bit more flavorful, and plus, the best part is no crust goes to waste. Another thing I like to do is sometimes I just don't even cut it at all. I'll just use the crust like a breadstick, dipping it into my salad dressing to soak up all that delicious olive oil and vinegar. Either way, I'm happy. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty tips coming your way.